This demonstration shows you how you can perform mass maintenance on subinventories and locators to enhance your business. Let's start the demonstration. First, ensure the opt-in required to be enabled to use the feature Perform Mass Maintenance on Subinventories and Locators. Next, proceed to access the new feature using the task Configure Subinventories. You can access it from Functional Setup Manager or Inventory Management Work Area. Once you click the task Configure Subinventories page opens. Once the Subinventories page opens, we will search for a sub-inventory to look at the existing sub-inventory and locators and items associated with it. Sub-inventory is displayed and we can click the hyperlink on the sub-inventory name. The sub-inventory details page shows all the details associated with the sub-inventory like sub-inventory attributes. You can see more of them by clicking on the More Information. You can view the locators associated with the sub-inventory. Click the Associated Items tab on the page. On the Associated Items tab you can view the items associated with the sub-inventory. Now that we have seen the structure, we will use the back button to exit the page. On the Subinventories page, click the Create Subinventories from Existing button to create multiple subinventories, copying it from the sub-inventory we viewed. The drawer opens and we can first download the CSV template. We can download the CSV template on our desktop. Next, we will fill in the template with the sub-inventory name and description we want to create and save the template. Once we fill the template, we can save it in CSV format. Next, we go back to the drawer again and select the copy from sub-inventory. Once the sub-inventory is selected, the counts for locators, item sub-inventory and item locator associations is displayed that will be copied when the user creates new sub-inventories. Go to the Upload Filled Template section and upload the filled template or the CSV file. Click the Drag and Drop section to open a window to upload the filled template. Once the filled template is uploaded, it shows up on the drawer. The Submit button is enabled. Click the Submit button to complete the task. A toast message displays that the process is submitted. Click the Action Status tab to view the status of the task submitted. On the Action Status page, we can view the Create Subinventories from Existing is completed successfully. Next, click the Subinventories tab on the page. The Subinventories page opens. We will search for the subinventories we created using the template. The subinventories created in the background are displayed and we can click the hyperlink on the sub-inventory name. The sub-inventory details page opens and we can verify if the locators are also copied from the existing sub-inventory. Click the Associated Items tab. On the Associated Items tab, we can verify if the item sub-inventory associations are also copied from the existing sub-inventory. Use the back button to exit the page. Now that we are back on the Subinventories page, we can go to the Item Associations tab and create item sub-inventory and item locator associations. Click the Item Associations tab. The Item Associations page opens. Click the Create Item Associations button. The Associate Items drawer opens. Download the two templates to fill them up. Next, download and save the Item Locator Associations template. Once the templates are saved on the desktop, click the Cancel button and then we can fill the template. Enter the sub-inventory, item and lead times for the item sub-inventory association. Save the filled template in CSV format. Next we fill in the data in item locator association template. Enter the sub-inventory, item and locator details for the item locator association. Save the filled template in CSV format. Click the Create Item Associations button. The Associate Items drawer opens. Upload filled templates to create the item associations under respective sections. Item Sub-Inventory Associations template is uploaded. Next upload the Item Locator Associations template. Once both the templates are uploaded, you may click the Submit button to complete the tasks. A toast message displays that the process is submitted. Click the Action Status tab to view the status of the tasks submitted. On the Action Status page we can view that the 2 tasks submitted have completed successfully. Now click on the Item Associations tab to view if the new item associations have been created. On the Item Associations page, search for the item. Item is displayed in the results. Click the hyperlink on the item to view the associated subinventories and locators. On the Item Details page we can search for the sub-inventory we associated with the item. We can add other fields to see if the lead times are correctly populated. We can see that the lead times are shown for the item sub-inventory association. Similarly, on the associated locators we can view the item locator associations created using the CSV template. We can view the locator records together with the subinventories showing that the item locator association was successfully completed. Click the Back button to exit the page. Click the Subinventories tab page to go back to the Subinventories page. We are able to create multiple subinventories, and then also we're able to create item subinventory and item locator associations using a CSV template. This concludes the demonstration.